let's make some pancakes. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever video, except short. So today I'm going to help you to make pancakes. So how to make pancakes? I'm going to, So first of all, you need all-purpose flour. Okay, you need all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna grab a cup. Okay, so I have this cup. Now you're gonna put 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Wait, I'm just gonna put it. Okay, so I just put 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Now we're gonna get some baking powder. Now you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you're gonna add baking soda. Okay, so you're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, you're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you're gonna mix it. Next, you're gonna break 1 egg. Okay, next you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, you're gonna add 3/4 cup of milk. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of milk. Do it this much, like what, 3/4. Now you're gonna add 2 drops of vanilla essence. I put too much. Oops. Oh my god, I put too much. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now you're gonna mix it until it's smooth. Let's mix it. You're gonna mix this batter until it's smooth. You're gonna mix it until it's smooth like this. Okay, now you're just gonna grab some of the batter. Oh my god, I'm just dropping it. Okay, now put it in here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this much. I'm gonna do this so the batter doesn't go out or anything. Now you're gonna put the second one over here. I'm gonna make it big. Okay, so you're gonna leave it until it bubbles like this. Let's see. No, it's not cooked. Oh my god. Okay, so I just flipped them and they are looking so good. I just put some honey and it looks so good. Okay, so I just cooked another batch of pancakes and I put some blueberry sauce and sprinkles and it looks delicious. Okay, comment down below which one is the best. This one is the honey pancake and this one is the blueberry one. Tell me in the comments.